Did you know a king's moment of frustration accidentally created one of England's most powerful saints? In 1170, King Henry II was furious with Thomas Becket, the Archbishop of Canterbury. The two had been fighting for years over who truly controlled the church in England. One evening, Henry vented in front of his knights. "Will no one rid me of this turbulent priest?" He meant it as an outburst. His knights heard it as a royal command. 4 of them rode straight to Canterbury Cathedral and cut Becket down at the altar. Henry got exactly the opposite of what he wanted. Becket became a martyr almost overnight. Miracles were reported at his tomb. Pilgrims flooded Canterbury from across Europe, more than visited any other site in England. The king had no choice. He walked to Becket's shrine in sackcloth, knelt before the monks, and was publicly flogged on his bare back. A single careless sentence cost him more than any battle he ever lost. Words, once spoken in front of the wrong people, cannot be taken back.